For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9. US President Donald Trump is reportedly working on an executive order for merit-based immigration system. The White House statement came in after Donald Trump said so in a televised interview. He said he was working on an executive order on immigration. This will include a road to citizenship for recipients of the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program. President Trump said his action on the DACA is going to be part of a much bigger bill on immigration. It's going to be a very big bill, a very good bill, and a merit-based bill, and it will include DACA, and I think people are going to be very happy. One of the aspects of the bill is going to be DACA. We are going to have a road to citizenship. After Trump's interview, the White House released a statement on the same. As the president announced today, he is working on an executive order to establish a merit-based immigration system to further protect US workers. Furthermore, the president has long said he is willing to work with the Congress on a negotiated legislative solution to DACA, one that could include citizenship along with strong border security and permanent merit-based reforms. The White House further in a statement said that this does not include amnesty. The statement said that President's executive order on immigration will not include amnesty for migrants who are in the United States illegally but arrived in the country as children. This does not include amnesty. Unfortunately, Democrats have continually refused these offers as they are opposed to anything other than totally open borders. During the televised interview, Donald Trump alleged the opposition broke the deal with him on the DACA. I had a deal with the Democrats and they broke the deal. The DACA could have been taken care of 2 years ago, but the Democrats broke the deal. All of a sudden, they just broke it for no reason. Actually, they had a court case that slightly went their way and they said, oh, let's not talk about the deal anymore. Donald Trump said the recent US Supreme Court ruling gave the president tremendous powers. The Supreme Court recently said that the country could take in this case, over 7 lakh people. Based on the powers that the Supreme Court gave, I'm going to be doing an immigration bill. One of the aspects of the bill that you will be very happy with, and that a lot of people will be, including me and a lot of Republicans, by the way, will be the DACA. It will give them a road to citizenship. Donald Trump's move drew sharp criticism from many in his own party. Senator Ted Cruz slammed Trump over the move. He warned Trump administration not to include a road to citizenship for DACA recipients.